Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you here. It's good that you guys keep tuning in. I appreciate it very much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and most of all, don't forget to share. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel as well. So, do you know what a data type is? Data types are like the building blocks of coding, and every programming language has slightly different ones. But here are the 5 basic types, and most of them have these. The first one you got is integers. Integers are like whole numbers like 3, 5, 0, -2, stuff like that. Then you have floating points, which are decimal numbers, 3.2, 10.30, or like 0.0. Then you have chars. Chars is short for characters, which are like single letters, symbols that you can type on a keyboard like A, B, ampersand, comma, and stuff like that. Then you have strings, and strings are combinations of those characters to make words like hello or world, or like keyboards mashing. Finally, you have booleans, which can only take on the values of true and false. And so if you want to learn more about data typing, or like other things that are about coding, and if you want to eventually earn a 6-figure income, check out the link below, Clarusway.com. We're here to help you. You can get that 6-figure income within 6 to 9 months, and it's amazing how they can help you get to where you want to be. Anyway, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Ciao.